let's go ahead and get started with our pizza. You will need 1 egg, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and then you're gonna need 2 cups of fine shredded cauliflower. So let's get started. I'm cracking my egg open and I'm going to stir my egg. I'm adding Parmesan cheese, so 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, stirring these ingredients together. Now you see I have steamed my 2 cups of cauliflower because I don't want a wet dough. So if you want to eliminate wet dough, you go ahead and steam your cauliflower. All right, so pour your dough onto parchment paper and spread it out as much as you can. The wider your pizza, the better you're going to serve other people. All right, so in here I am fixing my edges. You want to fix your edges so you will have a nice thick crust at the end. I am taking my time to make sure that my edges are nice and neat. Now place your dough in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes on 375 degrees. Here are my seasonings that I use. You can use your own. I decided to use oregano, garlic seasoning, any Italian seasonings that you may, black pepper, and again Italian seasonings. Oh, and thyme. So any seasonings that you like, and don't forget your tomato sauce. No salt added, no sugar added. After you've added your personal ingredients, put in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.